क्या आप अपना करियर आईटी सेक्टर में बनाना चाहते हैं? क्या आप टॉप आईटी एमएनसीज में जॉब कर रहे हैं बट सैलरी मार्केट स्टैंडर्ड की नहीं मिल रही है? तो पेश है क्लाउड डेवऑप्स हब ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट, एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहां हम देंगे आपको A to Z कंप्लीट आईटी डेवलपमेंट प्लस ऑपरेशंस प्लस 100% प्लेसमेंट असिस्टेंस प्रोफेशनल्स आईटी एक्सपर्ट्स के द्वारा, जो कि 15 प्लस इयर्स एक्सपीरियंस्ड है। यहाँ पर आपको रियल आईटी कंपनी का नॉलेज मिलेगा, प्राइमरीली ऑन AWS क्लाउड एंड टॉप 10 DevOps टूल्स और क्लाउड प्रोफाइल में बिना कोडिंग के, जिसकी फ्यूचर और मार्केट में बहुत डिमांड और सैलरी है, जो आपको बेस्ट आईटी कंपनी में बेस्ट प्रोफाइल में अपना करियर बनाने में मदद करेगा, और जहां आपको मिलेगा 24/7 कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट बाय 50,000 प्लस प्रोफेशनल्स इंस्ट्रक्टर, लाइव LED ट्रेनिंग के साथ लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस टू क्लास ट्रेनिंग रिकॉर्डिंग्स, डॉक्यूमेंट्स विथ लाइव प्रोजेक्ट टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स फॉर DevOps एक्टिविटी, ट्रेनिंग सर्टिफिकेशन, इंटरव्यू प्रेपरेशन एंड रिज्यूम मेकिंग। आप हमारी वेबसाइट www.clouddevopshub.com पर जाकर न्यू बैचेस की इंफॉर्मेशन भी ले सकते हैं, और साथ ही लाइव ऑनलाइन डे वाइज डिटेल्ड सिलेबस भी चेक कर सकते हैं, जिसमें आप हमारे कोर्स के सारे मॉडल्स की डिटेल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन चेक कर सकते हैं कि आपको कौन सा मॉडल किस डेट को पढ़ाया जाएगा। इतना ही नहीं, आप हमारे YouTube चैनल @CloudDevOpsHub पर जाकर सक्सेस स्टोरीज, स्टूडेंट्स टॉक्स, डे वाइज लाइव सेशंस, रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स के वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं। हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट से पढ़े हुए स्टूडेंट्स मल्टीपल ऑफर्स लेकर आज टॉप मोस्ट आईटी कंपनीज में अच्छे पैकेजेस में जॉब कर रहे हैं। सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? अपने करियर को एक नई पहचान देने के लिए आज ही क्लाउड डेवऑप्स हब पर रजिस्टर करें। क्लाउड डेवऑप्स हब, visit www.clouddevopshub.com, WhatsApp 9993445100।
Hello everyone and good morning. As per the today's agenda, I would like to review your resume, how exactly it look like at this point, and is that possible that whatever the current resume you have, you will get a call or not, or the HR will shortlist that resume or not. This is what the today's agenda. Simple session, resume reviewed, and your resume will be verified. I can say very clearly that how much calls you will get it if you will upload this resume to the Naukri profile, if you will share your resume to anyone. Is this impressive or not? Or what is the automated rating of your resume came from the Naukri website? With the help of algorithm, we can find out that how much is your rating for your current resume. So that is our today's agenda. Who is the first person want to share your resume so that we can discuss on your resume itself? Anyone from this group? Guys, yes or no? No one from here? Someone, Raj Kumar, has shared the resume. Let me open this. Raj Ops.in resume.pdf. Raj, it's a very impressive kind of approach that what you are sending it. Okay. Yep. Let's look at this person is Raj. It will be good if you will switch on your camera so that it will be more interactive. We can talk with you also. Hey, Raj. Good morning.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
The way you send it the resume, it looks impressive. Okay. Cool. And yes, your resume looks good. Mobile number. You don't want international calls? You don't want to go abroad?
Yes, I want actually.
You want to go, right? But if let us assume someone from the US, UK, Canada, they want to reach out to you. If they will call on this number, it will not work.
Okay.
What is the problem?
I think country code I didn't mention.
Yes. Okay. You have to mention the country code also, so that what will happen if someone from the on-site want to reach out to you, they will reach it. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
This looks good. This looks good. You are in the Mumbai LinkedIn profile. Let me open your LinkedIn profile. Let me open your website. Let me open your GitHub account as well. Okay. Your LinkedIn profile is opening. Looks good. Cloud DevOps system engineer. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Yes. HR on the HR view. It looks good. how much is the total experience, whatever is written in your resume, it should be very similar to your current resume. Okay, very first one.
Right.
Looks good, looks good. You have some certification, looks good. I'm happy with your this part. Okay, let's go to this thing. Okay, you are the active contributor from the 2016, 2017, no code written, 2018, nothing, 2019, nothing, 2020, nothing, 21, nothing, 22, something you tried, and
Right.
23, yeah, you are most active in 2023, right?
Right.
See, this
So
is
this is what I started in 2013 only, I can say.
2023, right?
Right.
Cool. See, your account is old. That's really good. Okay. That some you can say that yeah, 5 to 6 years of experience I have, but as a HR, so you can crack it. But when the technical person will come and see this, he will say, okay, he's the person from the last 6 month experience. Right?
Right.
Okay, cool. But I just want to give the feedbacks. Okay, nothing else. Looks very impressive. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay, how many repos are there? Looks good. Looks good. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay. If it's let's take it. Okay, let me go. Okay.
No, this will not open. Actually, I need to change that website
No worries, no
to
worries.
rajops.in.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, looks good. System administrator. You are mentioning that you are a cloud DevOps engineer. Okay, you have 10 years of experience. Looks good. But 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 the problem is you are not a cloud or DevOps engineer.
Right. So thing is that I am into storage.
Correct.
I started one course from IntelliPath, which is advanced cloud computing course. They are teaching me
That's why I'm
DevOps.
telling you that from the 6 month, it looks like I don't know you. You know me, I know, but I don't know you, right?
Right.
Correct.
Right.
Cool. Looks good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Continue your part. Yeah, you are learning.
And
Okay, you are
I'm
learning.
learning.
Yeah. Okay, looks good. Okay, in the learning, but change this thing also. Okay, because if let us assume I'm the interviewer, I will see this and I will get to know that you are not the real cloud or DevOps engineer.
Right.
Right? You have to update this all things. We are not as a cloud.
How can I change my designation? It is documented.
I'm not telling you to change the designation. You can change the designation also. Doesn't matter. Okay, because you are working in of one of the small organization. Okay, INA system.
Right.
So I don't worry. No need to worry. Okay, mention it as a cloud administrator. That's it. Simple. Or cloud
Right.
storage administrator or cloud DevOps storage administrator.
Okay.
Okay, mention it. Just
Okay,
add
sounds
something.
good.
Okay. Yeah.
Mhm.
And this is I'm not interested to because if you will apply for the cloud or DevOps profile,
Right.
I'm not interested to ask any question with this. The
Correct.
reason is this means your resume is impressive from here, but when he will read this, it will not be very good. Okay. And this all looks okay. We are not interested. This is one of your project. Okay. You can mention this as a one of the project. Okay.
Right.
1 year, 5 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you can mention it. But 2, 3 years, you have to add this also. Then only you can ask the package.
Okay.
Correct. Looks good. This is good. Good. Hindi English looks good. Core looks good. Okay. Can we make it in a first page only? No, not possible. Okay. Not possible. Leave it. Okay. Looks good.
Hello, hi Vikas.
Vinu, just wait for 1 second, 1 minute. Okay. And switch on your
Okay.
camera. I will give opportunity to you. Okay. Looks
Okay.
good. You have multiple projects. Can you put all these things into the top page? Because of this,
Yeah, I can.
you
I
have
can.
to ask the package, right? You want to ask the package.
Yes.
Put it as an impressive thing. Okay. DevOps and Cloud, IIT Roorkee certification. How many days?
It's going on, sir. I am right now
Okay.
taking Azure classes.
Okay. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. You have to put this into the top. Okay. And then,
Okay.
yeah, and then change the complete project. Okay. Last 3 years will be Cloud or DevOps. Then only we will call you as a DevOps engineer. And
Right.
next question is how much you are prepared? Let
I
assume
am
HR
prepared
shortlisted.
in
HR
term of
shortlisted your
right.
resume. Okay.
Right.
After that very first technical round will happen. Okay.
Right.
Because you
So
are
I did 2-3 capstone projects, including I can say Terraform, Git, Docker, either Kubernetes. using Jenkins, I have created freestyle pipeline for 2-3 projects. I'm good into HTTP, like HTTP server creations and reverse proxy using Nginx.
Looks good.
And apart from that, I'm good into storage administration. So in terms of that, if I
can
say like
understand.
VPC creations, managing VPC, CIDR block understanding, right?
Okay, let assume two
Some
VPCs. Let assume just a simple interview question. If there are two
Right.
different VPCs are there, they want to connect with each other. How they will connect?
There is a service called VPC pairing. That
Okay,
service we need to use.
cool. If
So in
one
that case,
VPC, no, I got your answer. You know the answer. One VPC in AWS, one VPC in Google Cloud. If they want to connect, then
so there is a I didn't completed this, but I think service gateway or something we need to go with that endpoint service gateway or something.
Service gateway or IGW, whatever the students are giving the answer,
IG.
that is to get
IGW.
the no. This is not the correct answer. To get the internet connectivity into the VPC, that's why IGW required. Okay. Direct connect can be a possible. Direct connect can be a possible. Okay, but you have to use the VPN to connect to two different clouds.
Right. Either VPN, either site-to-site connectivity, we can say.
Site-to-site cloud pairing also we can do it. Let us assume you have a complete cloud VPC and you want to secure your VPC.
I can secure either on the subnet level using NECL or on the
correct. Yeah,
on the security group level.
This answer is good into the AWS perspective. Same answer I need for the Google Cloud as well.
Google Cloud, I'm not into actually. I don't know about Google Cloud.
Okay, this will make.
I'm right now learning Azure. I need to switch to Google
let's
Cloud.
give the answer. Let's give the answer in Azure.
Yeah, in the Azure we have this compute resource group or something. There we can configure security.
Okay, cool. Looks okay. Fine. Yep. Cool. All the best. Just do some changes into your resume. And yes, definitely soon we are hoping that you will be a cloud DevOps engineer with 30 plus package. Okay. Because this 10 years experience, definitely. I don't know your current package, but you go for 30.
I'm lagging some of point that I'll cover actually.
Yep.
So as you said, like I need to practice more and I need to have some hands-on project, maybe from YouTube or something.
Whatever it is, wherever it's a wherever you want to learn, just learn it. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Vinu, you are asking something, right? Or someone? Yes. Who is the second person?
Yes, I'm asking the.
Yeah, Vinu.
I have one doubt.
Switch on the camera. Switch on the camera, please.
One.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, you were telling the contact number has been changed while using from the Dubai or Singapore, any other recruiter we need to call to you directly. How to change that mobile number? How to give me that?
Guys, give the answer to Vinu, please.
Yeah, but I could not.
Guys, give the answer to Vinu.
We need to add +91, which will denote
91,
your country
okay,
code.
91, okay, fine. That one is.
Yeah, that's it.
91 added, just 91 added.
Yep, that's it. Yes. Yep.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Someone is asking the sample resume. Guys, who is this? Raj has already shared into this group. You can have a look into this resume. This looks good. Or at the end, if you want, I can create a same resume into the AWS cloud as well. I will teach it. Yep, go ahead. Guys, what is the second question? Next question, please. Yep. Sudha, you have unmuted. Ask your question, please. Don't be hesitant, guys. I'm your colleague. I'm your friend. Whatever the question you have.
I do have one question, sir. Raj here. So thing is that my package is little higher side. I'm right now on 15 package. And the challenge is for me that...
Raj, wait. 15 with 10 years experience.
Right. It's very less, I know.
It's very, very less. You are telling on a higher side. No, man, never ever. My freshers student also, okay, with 3 year experience, 4 year experience, they are crossing 15, 17.
Right, right.
Because
No,
see, if you
my
will see
profile,
my syllabus,
there it is.
have you
Mhm.
checked my syllabus also?
I went through like once, I think 1 month ago.
Okay, yes. If you check my syllabus, if any fresher will also learn in 2 months, in with the 2 months, and he will add only 2 years experience, he can cross the 10 lakh package easily. Because this syllabus is a foundation plus Linux administration. Because in the Linux only, he can crack lot of interviews. Plus AWS will come into the picture. After AWS, the DevOps thing will come. In AWS, so he can ask if he's a fresher, he can ask 5 to 7 or 10 lakh. If he will add the DevOps also into this resume or into his profile, then he can ask 5 or 10 lakh package extra. But I'm not getting this all things in your resume.
Right.
Right? Because see, your resume looks only for the technical support engineer or storage admin. That's it. Only this in the starting, I read this and I was very impressed that yes, you are a cloud or DevOps engineer. But when let assume HR will shortlist your resume, when the technical person will come into the picture, okay, he will just judge that no, you are not a cloud or DevOps engineer.
So reason is that I don't know like what to mention in the resume, right? So one project cannot tell
Buddy,
you
you are
like,
telling that you are learning something from somewhere, right?
right. So,
If you are learning, definitely whatever they are teaching, write it.
oh,
Or
okay.
if they are not teaching anything, take my syllabus, write it from my syllabus.
Mhm.
Open, write whatever you want to write. If you want to write related to Kubernetes, write it. If you want to write related to Docker, Jenkins, whatever tool you are able to give the answers, write it in your resume.
Right.
That's it. But I am sure that with the help of this resume, yeah, 15-20 is okay. If you will add 1 or 2 projects in this, you
Right.
can ask for 25-30 also.
Okay. So the one thing you mentioned, you pointed out that description job, whatever job I have done here, that I need to change, right? I
Obviously,
can change the designation as well.
designation, I'm not worried about the designation. This is a role, right? Switch on the
Right.
camera, Raj, switch on the camera, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Designation, so you are, if it's a 10-year experience, you are already a manager or already a lead. Wherever you will
Right.
go, you will be a lead or manager, right? So you don't have to
Right.
worry for the designation. Designation is already good.
Mhm.
Yep.
Right. But again, if I say means it's all about the day-to-day activity you are doing in your
You
DevOps
have to
and
be a
cloud
confident. You
profile.
are telling that you are learning, so you have to be confident
Right.
what they are teaching.
Right.
And
They are
if they,
teaching individual services, but it is all about combining all the services and giving one better solution to customer,
then
right?
if you will follow my this sheet, okay, in this sheet,
Okay.
we are teaching all these things. How to what your resume name should like. Okay, if any mistakes will be there. Okay, what should be in your resume. Okay, plus how to give the introduction from yourself as well.
Okay.
Because if with the help of your introduction only, 10% or 20% your selection will be yes or no, right?
Okay.
If you will give a good impression that I did this thing, and I can do this thing also, right?
Correct.
Then interviewer will take an interest that okay, I have to listen this person. Otherwise, he will be into this mode that you have to get rejected. That's it.
Right.
Because interviewer came to reject you. He is not coming for the selection. If you have a capability, then you have to take the selection.
Right.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay. One last question, sir. I'm
Okay.
sorry I'm taking too
No
much
worries.
time.
No worries. Yeah.
So if I can see like most of the company whoever is calling, they are asking for Terraform and Cloud Formation,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
This IAC tool.
Yep.
So for in term of Cloud Formation,
Yep.
we know like it is only binded to the AWS, right?
Yes, I agree.
But
Yes.
which is Terraform. So
Yep.
Terraform, what sort of script is enough for them to convince? I do have only EC2 creations, I can say,
You
as
have
of
to at
now.
least see from you have to start the things from EC2, VPC, S3,
Right.
or some 5-6 services. Okay. That
Right.
is already been covered in my practical 25. Okay, create AWS resources using creation using EC2, S3, VPC, SCL language, plan, Terraform, and apply. You know this part, right? You are telling.
Right.
But this is just a 5%, 10% work. You have to do the project also based on this 3-tier application with the help of Terraform on the AWS cloud, and we are creating 40 AWS services.
Oh,
Okay, if you are able to achieve this thing, then you don't have to worry for that part. If I will show you that thing in my syllabus, this is my 3-tier application. Okay,
mhm.
because I know what IntelliPath is teaching. Okay,
Right.
and my syllabus is far beyond that. Okay, see, if you will see here, you are telling that you are creating only 1 or 2 services, right? But if you will see
Right.
my syllabus, okay, my thing, I'm creating IAM role, I'm creating roles, I'm creating subnet, I'm creating EC2, whatever you are telling, right? I'm creating volumes, root table, Elastic, EP, 40 services I'm creating with Terraform. And then I will show you the screenshot also, what exactly we have created. 40 services created, and then destroy command as well.
Right.
I will do all these things in front of my student. And if you want to see that, I can share that path as well. Okay, see here, apply completed resource 40 has been added, means 40 different services created. You know only one, but my student knows 40.
No, I know. No, it's not about I know only one. It's about that I didn't practice on it.
They are asking because see why I'm the reason is why I'm teaching it, because interviewer are asking simple. And why I keeping my syllabus into the Excel, because I can easily upgrade it in a seconds, right? Let assume I have to add something. Let assume I'm adding some dots, right? I can easily add it here. If I will put this syllabus in my website, I have to be dependent, right? Or if I will do it, I have to do the release, or I have to deploy the things into my website again and again. That's why we are keeping the syllabus into the Excel, so that it will be very easily we can upgrade it whatever you want.
Right.
So
thank you so much, sir.
Yeah,
Thanks
what I want, you can practice for 5 or 10, 5 services more. Okay, with the help of Terraform, all the code is available into the Terraform website. And you know Terraform, init, plan, apply, execute it. That's it.
Execute. That's right. Okay, sir.
Good.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Yep, right. Yep, guys, who is the next person? Switch on the camera and please talk with me. Omkar, Mohan, Guru, Ashwini, Pramod. Guys, anyone want to get your resume reviewed?
Just I'll send. Can you share the email again?
Yep. CloudDevOpsHub@gmail. Simple. You can send it there, or you can send it to Vikas@CloudDevOpsHub. It will be long. I'm just
Can
giving
you
you.
paste the email in the chat?
Yep, I provided already. And it will be fast if you will send it on the WhatsApp. I will directly open it. Guys, who is the next person? Please share your resume so that I can review. I will tell you the problems. If you will understand the problem, you can work into the solution as well. Rahul, Ram, Pramod. Guys, talk with me. Don't be a one-sided discussion. Kaushik, Ravindra, Ram.
I don't have anything to be reviewed at the moment.
No worries. It's okay. Praveer, Ram, Rahul, Mohan, Omkar. Sudha, you are sending it. Please be fast. I get a resume from no.
Anyone sending the resume? Please let me know. Okay, no, chalo, no worries. Let me show you how exactly your resume look like. Okay. Acha, first give me the answer. You have to create a resume or you have to create a CV to send it to someone. Guys, unmute and talk with me, please. We have to create a CV or we have to create a resume to send it to someone.
Isn't both are same?
No.
Not sure then.
No, both are not same. There is a difference. Guys, yes, give me the answer, please. Very simple question. You have to create your resume or you have to create your CV. Raj, you can only give the answer. Okay. Praveer is telling he has shared the resume. Praveer, where you shared it? Guys, see, I will tell you, when you are talking about the CV, okay, CV don't have any limit. Okay, length limit is doesn't matter for the CV. Okay, but your course or whatever the academic related things you are doing, okay, or if you are applying for any of the course, higher level of course, then you have to create a CV. If you are looking for a job, you are searching a job, or you are applying for a job, then you have to create a resume. Got my point? If you are applying for a higher job or higher studies, then create a CV. Else, if you are looking for a job, then create a resume. If I will ask the very simple question, from where I will get the format of the resume?
Hi.
Yep.
Actually, I have sent to email. Sorry.
That's okay. That's okay. Just give me 2 minutes. We will check it. Okay.
Okay.
If I will ask a very simple question, from where we will get the template for creation of the resume? Any idea? You can copy from someone, definitely yes. But we have these capabilities from the Word also, MS Office Word. Okay, let's go into the Word. If I'm going opening any of the Word document, okay, go to the files. Okay, here these are the templates are coming. Just click on the more templates. Here resume and cover letter option is coming. Just click on the resume or cover letter. Okay, lots of formats are already available here. Whatever the format you like, take it and create your very first simple resume. Got my point? Whatever you like. Okay, I don't want you to create this photographs kind of thing, will not be required. This looks good, professional. This looks good. This looks good. Don't take the red color, please. Okay, this is also okay. This looks good to me. I don't want the full color. Okay, I don't, as a interviewer or as a HR, I don't like the full colors. Okay, purple is somehow okay, but dark color will be always preferred. Okay, so whatever means I my preference will be the first I'm okay, second I'm okay, third I'm also okay. Okay, this red color I don't like it. This all looks okay because your headings and name will be on the highlighted on the top will be there. Okay, I don't like this, but this one I liked it. Okay, whatever you like, let's assume you like this one, just click into this place. Okay, it will ask you to create the resume. Just click on the create. It will download the template and 70% work formatting is done. Now change it with your name, change it with your things, and your resume is ready. Is that okay?
Okay,
I'll
fine.
try.
Good. Okay. So, someone was sending the resume. Praveer was telling. Yeah, let me check it. Switch on the camera so that I can understand who want to come first. Please switch on the camera. Who is switching? Yeah, Sudha. Sudha, where you sent it your resume?
Into the email.
In the email, right? I got your resume. Okay, I'm just opening it. Yep, I have your resume. Looks good. Okay. First thing, your resume name is not, I'm not able to understand that.
This is the old one. I have sent. Wait. This is the old one. I have sent latest one.
Don't do
because
kind of
not
interviewer, okay?
my resume.
Okay. Yep. Chalo, send it again.
Okay.
You're sending it again, or you have already sent it?
I already sent. You have received, I think, latest one.
No, I get only one, buddy. 4 minutes ago, only one I have.
I think I have sent it once.
I have only one. I have only one. Chalo, no worries. Someone has also shared into the WhatsApp. Yes, Praveer has sent it. Praveer, you are here. Switch on your camera, please.
I have some issue with the camera.
What is the issue? If you will say that I have an issue in front of the camera, then interviewer will reject you. They will not take your interview. Because nowadays, lot of problem, proxy, fake things are happening. Agree with my point?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, cool. Chalo. Praveer Dev. Okay, from 2021, you are a cloud engineer resource. Okay, let's go to the GitHub. Okay, I'm very much interested in GitHub. 10 repositories you have. Looks good. Looks good. Okay, looks good. Your profile looks little bit genuine. 18, 19, nothing. 20, nothing. 21, nothing. 22, nothing. Okay, 23 from the month of January. This year revolution to come into the cloud, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Cloud engineer, TCS looks good. Acquired 2 years of experience in AWS cloud migration. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Yep. Programming looks good. Looks good. Looks. You know Python, Shell, YAML, all the things.
Yeah, I'm learning Python beginner level.
Okay. Why we are using the YAML? Why we have to use the YAML?
YAML for Kubernetes deployment services, all the file.
Correct. Okay. And what is this Nutanix? Nutanix.
It's like on-prem, like VMware.
Okay. You know how to install this?
Actually, we are using it for on-prem server deployment.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Okay. And if I will tell you, it will work as a hypervisor or not?
Yes. There is Acropolis hypervisor.
Okay, cool. Okay. Looks good. You know how to create the Kubernetes cluster in AWS as well?
Yeah, I created
Just give me the steps. Just give me the little bit steps.
For steps like first we need to create that we install for kubectl we install and
wrong answer. No, it's the EKS. kubectl will not be required.
We can use EKSCTL.
I'm looking how to create the EKS cluster.
We can.
Sudha, switch on the camera. Switch on the camera. Yes. Give the answer. It's a learning part. Yes, go ahead.
We can do it in a 2 ways, as I know, because one is the console. We can go to the manually. We can create a cluster and node groups. Then otherwise, we can use EKSCTL using the AWS CLI.
But okay. The answer will be we have to create a role binding. We have to create a roles. Okay, first I am user. Then we have to create a EKS cluster. Then we have to add the nodes, right?
Yes. When use now Terraform also supports EKS to create this cluster.
Correct.
So
just one button and done. Chalo. If I will ask the manual question, Praveer, with you, how to create a Kubernetes cluster, manual step. I don't want to pay any money. One second. I don't want to pay any money to any of the cloud provider. Okay. I have virtual machines and I would like to create a Kubernetes cluster.
Yeah, we can use
Or you
Minikube
can
or
use
Minikube Kubernetes cluster.
If you will say Minikube, your whole experience will be fake. Okay, I can say that this experience is fake. If you will say Minikube, because none of the in the real time Minikube is not at all usable. I don't know your this experience is genuine or fake, but if you will say the keyword Minikube, this will be fake. Chalo, give me the correct answer.
For free.
Yep. Praveer, introduce yourself, please. I don't know you, but please introduce. Yes.
Yeah, I am Praveer. I am from Kolkata.
Cool.
I've been working with TCS from last around 2 years, and I am a part in a project like where we mainly responsible for the setting up the infrastructure and maintaining and the automation part. And
Yep.
along with I have done few certification in AWS like solution architect and cloud practitioner, and DevOps practices I am now practicing in my personal project, but in the current project there it's in first stage of implementation, and like
What's your day-to-day activities?
I'm mainly responsible for the it's actually infrastructure engineer we are working for.
Okay, how
Mainly
you are
the,
creating the infrastructure?
mainly the building the server on Terraform.
How?
And
With the help of Terraform?
yes, Terraform we are using.
You can able to write the Terraform code?
Yeah, from not from scratch. It's already there. We just add some resource and module, and it's we use Terraform
I
Enterprise.
don't want you to write because you are a DevOps engineer. You don't have to write it. You have to copy
Yeah,
paste.
right.
Okay. What is provider?
Provided like here we are using AWS.
Okay.
To
What is TF state file?
if that maintain the actually the current state of the infrastructure, and when we create any infrastructure the state will be updated.
Okay.
It maintains from it actually maintain the previous state, and it will add some new resources in the state file.
Okay. Let us assume if I want to change anything into the TF state file, can I open and change it?
Yeah, we can change it, but it may be corrupt actually.
No, man, we can't open it. We don't have to open TF state file. Never ever.
Yeah, we should not open, but we can open that.
It will not work.
So you won't use again. It will do.
It will be corrupted, right? If you will open it.
Yeah, it will be corrupted.
Okay, cool.
We can see that state file, right?
Okay. With the help of Terraform, you are developing the infrastructure, right? And let's assume you have to do some operation related activities into the infrastructure then.
Yeah, we are using like for configuration management, we are using Ansible.
Okay, Ansible. What is the difference between Ansible playbook and Ansible roles?
Ansible playbook is a collection of tasks. There are many tasks like install and software update. There are mentioned in the playbook, and roles. Roles, I think. I'm not sure actually roles.
Okay. Anyone here want to give the answer? What is roles?
Both are
Switch on the camera. Switch on the camera. Otherwise, how I will get to know that who is talking? Yes. Yeah.
Here Ansible roles and Ansible playbook is the similar. We can execute the I can say if you want to perform a task to install a installables like I can say
that will be a playbook, right? That can be achieved with the help of playbook.
Yes. Both you can do. In the roles also you can do. In the roles, right? You can get some like your templates, files, and you can use for the
particular persons will maintain the particular instructions. It will do the roles.
Okay, kind of okay. But see, I'm looking, can be created one time and used multiple times. That is known as roles, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
How to create it? Now the next question, how to create the roles?
Ansible Galaxy command we can do.
Yep. With the help of Galaxy, we can create it. With the help of Galaxy, we will get a structure, right?
Yes, yes, structure in that the template handlers will become, and the other files like tasks. Inside the tasks, you can do your main dot file.
Correct. And in the when the structure will be ready, we have to go inside the roles folder. We have to go into the main file, right? Main.playbook file, and we have to do the changes. We have to write the playbook inside it.
Yes, yes.
Right. And we can call it from the main file that whatever the role has been written inside it. That's it. That much you have to be aware about it, Praveer. Okay.
Okay.
You are telling that patch management. What do you mean by patch management?
For server patching.
Yes. How to do it?
Earlier we are doing that manually, and now it's integrated with the system manager. And after that, now also it is integrated with the Ansible.
Okay, means with the help of Ansible, you are doing it. Okay, but what is the command if I want to do the patching?
It's automated, and automation team that manage we from the
there is a simple command for that.
Yum update, apt update.
Yes, yum update, apt update.
Sudo apt update.
Yep, correct. Okay.
Yeah, but it's here from the Windows infrastructure we are using actually.
See, simple questions. It's very simple question. You don't have to give the excuse. Okay, interviewer is not here to listen your excuse. Right? He has only one option, right? If he will impress, he will select you. He is not impressed, he will reject you.
Just one question for you. For Windows, how we can do, but Linux, M and apt, and if you can use anything, but in the Windows updates, how we can do?
There is something.
Just want to know the answer. That's it.
Yeah, Praveer.
Yeah, there is Win module there for in Linux we use ping. Here we use Win_ping. Like there is multiple Win module, and we use that.
If it's a manually question, go here, check for the update, click on the check for update, patching is done. Right?
That is manual. We can do that way, but I'm asking automated way how we can do.
He is already mentioned the patch management software. It is already available into the AWS, into the Google Cloud. Everywhere this software is available. This service is available. Okay.
Yeah,
so what this server of this manager will do, he understand that which type of machine it is. Based on that, multiple options are there. Vulnerability, you want to update the vulnerability, you want to update the packages, you want to upgrade it, you want to update the DB upgrade. Multiple options are there. Choose the option based on your requirement. Automated it over the weekend, automated over the time, so that this service will run it automatically into this place and perform the activity. It doesn't matter 1 server, 1000 server. It will be done. It will be done into the maintenance time. If reboot also required, this software or this service has a capability, he can reboot that as well. Correct, Praveer?
Yeah. After reboot, it will also reconnect. It's at the capability.
Correct. Yes. Cool. Looks good, buddy. As you have a 2 years of experience, it's okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Is okay, but yeah, if you want to ask good package, okay.
Can you please tell me if anything need to add it? Actually, I am from operation team.
Okay, you have. Can you repeat it?
Yeah, I am from operation team.
You are from the operation
server. Yeah.
Correct. Means if you will see my syllabus, okay. Where is the syllabus? You are doing only this part. Okay, this part means Ansible and Terraform. Only this 5 days thing you know.
Yeah.
Right. But there are a lot of things are there which you can be aware. And at this point, 2 years experience. When the 3 year experience will come, 15 lakh package, 20 lakh package, you can ask it. Make sense? I got the thing why you are telling that you are from because you have written this line. Single line can give the answer that what exactly in the real you are. Right? And here I can guess it that Git is not there, Jenkins is not there, Docker, Kubernetes, nothing is there. Means you are just a learner or you are into the specific part.
Yeah.
Right? Either a learner or either you are into the specific thing. But I will not call you as a full stack because your experience is less, then fine. If you have a 5 years experience, then definitely it will require. Like the other person, like the previous person who is that Raj came, right? He has a 10-year experience, then I will expect everything from him. Because I'm ready to give 30 lakh package. We are ready to give 40 lakh package also to him if he has a capabilities. Simple.
But if we are not using the DevOps practice in our current project and want to switch the DevOps, then how can we rectify our
Simply you have to learn it. Simply you have to learn it. See,
yeah, but
at this point, I don't know this is real or fake, right? If you will able
yeah.
to give the answer, it is real. Simple.
If I have knowledge, can I put in the experience section
Obviously,
also?
yes, obviously, yes. This is your knowledge. I'm 100% sure you are not the genuine person,
Yeah.
right? This is your knowledge. That's it. And your knowledge is see. If I'm not, I'm not here to ask the questions. Okay, but I'm just taking very simple questions, whatever he's asking. But when the interview will happen, he will ask with you, have you this setup? Right? And that
Yeah.
time you have to say, yes, I did it. And if you haven't did, chances of rejection. Right? Cool. No worries. Yep. Good, man. That's good. 2-year experience. That looks good. Okay. Nice. Yep. Who is the next person?
Myself, Sudhakar.
Sudhakar. Sudhakar, yes, I get your resume into the WhatsApp. I'm just opening it. Yeah. I have your resume, Sudhakar. Put the better quality logo, na? Why the quality of the logo is not good?
Maybe while converting it was, but I can do.
Yep. 3 years AWS DevOps project related to cloud architecture. Looks okay. Looks okay. Looks okay. My 2022 present senior system engineer with Infosys. Okay. Lift and shift design. Good. 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 My 22. Before that, 21 to 22 digital roles. Looks okay. Yep, your profile looks cloud or DevOps engineer. Okay, 2019. Okay. Put this box into the first page because this box should be in the first page. Okay.
Okay.
And don't mention electrical and electronics branch. Why? There is no importance, right? Remove it.
Okay.
Okay. Looks good. Electrical. See, remove this diploma also. Which year?
That is 2014.
2014. And B?
2017.
2014-17. And when the 12th?
2009.
12th, then diploma, then BTech.
Yes. 2014 diploma, then BTech, 3 years. That's 2017.
Okay. Okay, guys, for you, interviewer will ask the questions here. Okay. Infosys has asked a lot of questions in this or not?
No, because that's from my electrical knowledge. That's I am good at electrical as well. If they ask,
No, you don't have to. Now you don't have to be good into the electrical. Okay, you have to be good into the cloud and DevOps.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
so remove this. Okay, not remove this part. Okay, BTech diploma, mention it. Okay, looks good. This should be into the first page. Looks good. Okay, multiple projects are there with the duration. Looks good, man. Your responsibility, roles and responsibility, everything is coming here. Okay, if you will able to mention which project it is. Okay, in the Infosys there are multiple projects are there, right? Because
Yes.
for that, what will happen? Your domain will come. You are from the what we can say banking domain. You are from the what we can say. There are lots of domains are there, right? Insurance domain, healthcare domain. So that if you mention the project, it will also be very specific.
Yes, yes.
Okay, resume looks good. Okay, and yeah, you have to be prepared also according to your resume. Okay, just check your formatting also. Okay, because this looks very simple. Okay, just do the proper formatting because here earlier somewhere some gaps are there. Here some not gaps are not here. Okay, and you have mentioned a lot of things into the bold. Okay, are you aware about this thing? Whatever you are aware, just make the things into the bold. If you are not aware, skip it. Okay.
Okay.
And if possible, you are making your resume into the 4-page. Create it into the 3-page. Now just delete something and be into the 3-page.
Okay.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's it. And yeah, this looks good. Yep. See, now what will happen? He will start asking something with this Terraform. Right?
Yes. Yes.
So you are prepared with the Terraform?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. How we can save the TF state files? Multiple approaches are there.
When you have apply, right, it will first by default it will save in the local. If you want, you can store in the back end like S3.
How? Yes, I want this automated system. I want to
So-
save all the files automatically into the S3.
In the provider.tf, you can mention your backend path and it will automatically store there.
In the provider, no man, provider is AWS, or in that provider, no.
You can mention backend as well there.
Yeah, backend file we can create and we can save it. Okay. Chalo, okay. And let's assume you write some code of the Terraform. Okay.
Okay.
Main.tf file, and I want to utilize this main.tf file in all the environments: dev environment, QA environment, prod environment.
I use TFR files, dev.tfrs, test.tfrs, prod. You can mention like TFRs and variables that.
Okay, you are telling that multiple variables files can be created, and same code with the help of variable we can use it.
Yes.
Okay, looks good. Have you aware about workspace?
Yes.
What is?
For different environments, as you said, right? So we can create an environment, we can use it.
Yeah,
That is also
bar file approach is again a manual approach. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
give the answer into the workspace, so that what will happen? Interview will think that you know the enterprise level solutions also.
Yes.
Okay, cool. And from where you are running this Terraform plan apply commands?
From Jenkins we are running.
Okay, cool. How the Jenkins is integrated with Terraform?
Using webhooks, you can say.
Jenkins and Terraform webhook. But the code, where the code is saved.
It is in GitHub, you can say.
Yeah,
Then
the code is saved into the GitHub, then webhook answer is correct.
You have commit, right? You can trigger the builds. So if you want to apply, you can have a, I can say, pipeline structure. So you can.
Don't confuse pipeline CI/CD. Don't merge it into the Terraform. Okay. Don't do. Okay. Otherwise, it will be tough. What is happening in your company? Give that answer.
Okay, just if you want to, after committing the code to the Bitbucket repo, just go and apply that in the run a job. That's
okay. Means there is a single pipeline or multiple pipeline, plan pipeline, apply pipeline, 2 pipelines or single pipeline?
a single pipeline.
Then how from the single pipeline both our options are coming?
Because you can use inputs in the Jenkins. So if you have a input to just after any stage, right? When you have execute, 3 stages are already executed. 4th stage is apply stage. Before that, you can give input to the manual input.
Okay, manual input. If we want to automate that manual input part also into the variabilize, or we can say parameterize, can we do it?
Possibility is there. We can do it.
How?
If you want to automate, right? Just you can remove that total variabilize, right? Your parameter. Okay.
I want to make a parameters. Yes.
In the parameter sections, we can include different parameters. I think messages, something. It is there, but I did not exactly remember that.
Okay, cool. No worries. That's okay, man. If you would see why I'm asking the simple questions, these are very simple questions, right? Basic questions.
Yes.
Right? Because you have to be aware about that thing. If you will write the certificate, you have to be you have to aware about that part. Cool, looks good, man. Yes, all the best. You can go for the interview. I hope you are aware about all these things, whatever you are mentioning in your resume.
Yes.
Then good. Yes, looks good. You will get a lot of calls. Okay. If you'll upload this profile into the Naukri.com, you will get 5 to 7 calls every day. Okay.
I'm not actively applying right now because
you will get it, but if you want, you will get it. Okay. Yep. Cool. Yeah. Any other person? Any other question? Rahul is asking. Rahul, unmute yourself. Adnan is asking something. Can we enter as a fresher in the cloud and DevOps? Yes, everyone will be a fresher. If you are a Java developer, tester, .NET developer, Salesforce, any of the profile, freshers also welcome because they are the fresh mind. They have a learning mindset. They know the knowledge. They have the knowledge. That's why they are getting it. In the artificial intelligence also, fresher can come into the picture. And there are lots of openings also for the fresher.
Or is there any website where we can, from where we can create our CV?
Why you have to create it from the website? Go to this place now. In the Word also there is an option. Create your, see, you can go to the MS Office Word, click on the file, go into this templates, more templates, resume or CV, choose whatever the template you liked it. Let us assume you want to create a CV with this format. Just click into this place, click on the create. It will download and your template is ready. Why to be depend on the website, and the website will return his name at the last or he will ask you the charges, right?
Yeah, that blueprint will be there.
Correct. Why you have to do the publicity for other websites? And Microsoft Office has all these capabilities.
But sir, like as I got to know that what kind of CV is relevant, like in this format or in a format which we were seeing previously?
Man, any format, doesn't matter format, right? Whatever the format you feel looks good, I'm okay with that, or any of the interviewer is okay. Okay, there are a lot of options are there. Whatever you liked it, you can take it now. There are multiple options are here. Whatever you like, you can take it. But I don't means as an interviewer or as a HR, I don't like this red color into the resume. Okay, this blue color, you are not sending any marriage invitation or biodata. So I don't like this format also. Yellow color, no red color. No, only this plain white or some basic color. Okay, if it's in place of this green, looks little bit okay. Sorry, little bit okay. Some color is there, little bit, it's okay, but it should be light color, not should be a dark. This format looks good. This format looks good, and there are a lot of formats are here. Until unless you will go down, you will get a format.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Adnan, unmute and talk with your, ask your question, please. Or whoever has a question, please feel free to ask. Ashwini, Guru, Jagan. Chalo, I will tell you. If you really want to go into the cloud or DevOps, okay, what all things should be in your resume, okay? If you will go here, guys, this all things should be in your resume, okay? You have to mention the DevOps. You have to mention the cloud engineer. You have to mention, if you are from the computer science branch, highlight it, because this will be always good. Computer science or CS branch will be always good. If it's not there, you are MCA, BCA, BCom, electrical, mechanical, civil, don't mention in your resume. Why to mention? You will not get a benefit if you will mention civil or mechanical in your resume, right? But if you will mention computer science, it will give a benefit to you because you are applying for the IT job. Agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Right? So if you are from the CS or whatever other branch, leave it. If you want 2 lakh extra or 5 lakh extra package, then mention Python. If you want 5 more lakh extra package, mention AWS. If you will mention Google Cloud or hybrid cloud keyword, then you can ask 2 more lakh package or 3 lakh extra package. Okay, because you know the multi-cloud. You know multi-cloud means you can work into the multi-cloud. All the clouds are very same. There is no difference at all. Okay, only the UI is the difference. Anyone here who can confirm this point, that I know AWS, I know Google Cloud, I know Azure. Backend is always same.
Yes, sir. The basic difference in the terminology, like in
names, right?
in Azure it is called VM, in AWS it is called EC2, and in the Google Cloud is called VM.
See, if I will tell you, I have a Lenovo laptop, okay, with Windows 10, I'm using it. If you have a compact laptop, HP laptop, or some other brand laptop with Windows 10, you are able to manage all the laptops, right? Because everywhere the Windows operating system is same. At the backend into the server, all the operating system is Linux. If you are aware about the Linux, okay, you can play in any of the cloud, doesn't matter, only the name is the difference. That's it. So why? See, someone has given the answer, I don't know Google Cloud, I don't know Azure. It's okay, but mention it that yes, I know it. I know whatever the services you know in AWS. Say that I know all the services into the Google Cloud and explore little bit. In my course, I will teach multi clouds. Okay, AWS Cloud as well as Google Cloud as well. So that the chances of rejection will be less. Yeah. And secondly, I want you all, whoever is going into the AWS or cloud profile.
One more thing. One more question.
Switch on the camera. Switch on the camera. Yes. Yep.
Yeah. Hi, Vikas. You were telling the multi-cloud will be very good for the resume.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, but we need to mention only for AWS or GCP. Anything GCP
Right.
or AWS.
Why only one cloud?
Both are different. There are while using.
Tell me, what is the difference? Yes, tell me, what is the difference?
In AWS, the basically virtual machines they calling upon EC2 okay. Servers.
Okay.
GCP, I don't know exactly.
It's a VM
virtual VMs calling
yes.
upon the VMs.
Yes. In Azure.
The security. Sorry.
In Azure.
Azure also virtual machines.
Same, right? Names are same.
Yeah.
Only the little bit difference in the name.
Sorry.
Only the little bit difference in the name, right? Only
yes,
the
yes,
difference
only
in the UI.
Yes, yes.
Yep. Okay. Then where is the difference?
There is no difference. And GCP, the security, I think I don't know security groups. In
it's
AWS, S3
it's a firewall.
Firewalls, okay.
In AWS, it's a security group.
Okay.
In Azure also, it's a security group.
Azure, okay. In Azure, the load balances are different. The load balances are Azure. I think 5 load balances are then Azure. I think.
In AWS also 5 load balancers are there. Network load balancer, application load balancer.
Application load balancer.
Same.
Okay.
See, you are telling I know Centro car, but I can't drive Alto.
No. But
I can't drive Indica, right?
Yeah.
You know driving, but you are telling, no, sir, I will not drive the Honda City. Man, if you are able to drive the Shift, if just there is a more functionalities will be there, right?
Okay.
Little bit more functions are there, and only the UI is different. But if you know the driving, you can drive any of the car. If you know how to drive a 4-wheeler car, you can drive any of the 4-wheeler car, right?
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, got it.
So don't say that I don't know. Say it, I know, practice it, gather more information, and get 5 lakh extra package now.
Okay, got it. Yeah, got it.
See, here I'm telling you how to get the extra package, how to get a good package.
Okay, got it.
Yep.
Thank you.
Cool.
And sir, is there any way to get more number
on
of calls from Naukri?
Switch on the camera.
Sorry, sir?
Devanshu, switch on the camera. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Guys, everyone switch on the camera, please. Yep. Yeah, Devanshu, go ahead.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Am I visible?
Yep, you are visible. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Like, is there any way to get more number of calls?
How many calls you need? How many calls you need?
Means, like, previously when I was in the notice period, people told me that when the notice period will come to an end, you will get n number of calls, but I was not getting much calls. I was getting only 1 or 2 calls per day.
Show me your resume. I will tell you why you are not getting a calls or how much call you will get it.
Wait, let me take it out.
Yep. Rahul is asking how many days are required to learn all this stuff. 3 months, 2.5 months. Vinu is already my student. He already learned all these things.
Yeah.
Or some students are already my student. What we can say, Praveer, I know from the very long back. Praveer, from how many years you are following me?
Yeah, from last 1 year.
Last 1 year, right? Or anyone here who is following me from the very long back? I think Jagan also is going to be my new student. Praveer, Rahul. Yep, yep. Yeah, guys, ask the question, please. What I'm telling, if all these things will be your resume, weightage or HR will shortlist your resume. Okay, HR will easily shortlist your resume. And how your resume means, if you are a fresher resume, how exactly you have to start the things. You have to mention these points to be a fresher, and I will teach all these things. You don't have to worry. As
Yes, sir. Can I share my screen on the phone?
No, please share. Give it to me. I will open it. Okay.
Okay, fine.
And if you
I
are 2 to 6 year experience, your keywords matters. Okay. If you will mention that expertise, professional, ability, excellence, this keywords matters. Whatever you will write at the end, it will be a experience keyword. If you are a fresher, you have to mention that I have a knowledge, I have a practical experience, hands-on learning. But if you are something experienced person, your keywords matters a lot. Okay. And as well as if you are 7 to 15 years experience, you have to create a CV like this, professional experience, mention the things here, what all important things should be there. Okay. And what mistakes you don't have to do it, all these things will be mentioned into this sheet. And your Naukri profile rating should become good. Okay. I'm going into the Naukri. Who is sending the profile to me?
Sir, can I have your email?
CloudDevOpsHub @gmail.com. I'm sending into the chat again. I've shared into the chat. Okay, check it, please. Yep, I send it. Okay, your resume rating should be above 75. Then only you will get a lot of calls. Okay, let's check. Devanshu is telling that he is not getting call. We will check it. Okay, with the help of algorithm of the Naukri.com. And I checked some student sent a resume to me. Okay, let me go. And he written the name itself, resume 1676203 Sudhakar. How I will understand that which resume it is, which profile this resume is. Mention your...
Sorry, I have downloaded from Naukri.
Yeah.
I'm not
okay.
laptop.
You have to be very clear that my name is this, how much is your experience, for which profile you are sending, so that if HR will open from his laptop locally, he downloaded or he has there, then he can check it, he can get it very easily that okay, this is this resume, let me give a call to him. Right?
Yes. When I am downloading, it is giving in the same format. So
yeah,
just forwarded.
No worries. Okay. I'm just waiting for Divankar resume. Divankar, share your resume, please. I haven't get yet. Yes, I got it. CV. Okay, cool. Are you up? The number is coming 1358.docs. Then how I will get to know that this is a resume or whatever it is? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is my CV.
Yes, this is your CV. Seeking and position for IT infrastructure engineer. For which profile you are hiring? You are looking for a job?
Sir, I was looking on the infrastructure engineer.
Infrastructure engineer. Okay. If you are looking for the infrastructure engineer, okay. Small mistakes, man. Okay. So let's check it automated way. Okay. I don't want to check it manually. Let's check it with the help of this. I'm going into my Naukri. Where is it? Okay. Upload. Okay. 1358. Okay. This is your resume. I'm just uploading it. Okay. Your score is 44. Not good. Okay. That's why you are not getting a call.
Okay.
Second. See, if your score is good, then only you will get a lot of calls.
Okay. Can you check my
Sudha, right? Sudha, your resume looks good. Okay, your score will be high. Okay. This is your resume. Okay, I'm just uploading it. because you have lots of keywords are there. If algorithm is telling 55, just because of the keywords. Okay, but your formatting and all font style, line spacing is not correct, which I told you manually, right?
Yes, yes.
So
Resume
how
has
to make it? So how to make it proper?
work on that part. Means correct your resume. Sudha, right? He's telling that font style, line spacing is not correct. You have to update that part. But for you, this resume is very specific for some particular role. Okay, and
Okay.
with the help of this resume, you will not get more than 6 lakh package. Or after 5 years also, it will be difficult to reach into 10 lakh package with this profile. So you
Yes,
are
sir.
you are into this, come up into the technology, come up into the things where you can earn the package or where you will enjoy your life with the help of tools, with the help of automations. Devanshu, got my point?
Yes, sir. I'm getting.
Okay. This looks okay. Handle the Active Directory. Which Active Directory you are handling?
So Active Directory, like Windows Active Directory.
Okay, Windows. Where exactly it has been hosted?
It is hosted on the Azure.
So mention it Azure Active Directory, na? Right?
Okay.
Weightage will be high, or it
Okay.
will leave the good impression. Okay. Uh, Handle the infrastructure of the client. Okay. Which type of infrastructure you are handling? It's a 3-tier application, microservice-based infrastructure.
No, sir. Like it is an infrastructure which is hosted on both Azure and as well as on the on-premise.
You can mention hybrid cloud infrastructure I'm managing on the Azure as well as on the on-premises. This look, give the weightage here, right? You are
Okay.
mentioning, just mention in a good way. See, let us assume I will show you one diagram. Okay. Both are same thing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You are presenting like this. Present like this, na? Then your value will get increased.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right?
But sir, I just want to know that how the Naukri recruiters like select a profile on what basis?
See, it will completely algorithm. Okay. Algorithm will give, there are lakhs of profiles are there. If your rating is good, if algorithm has the good keyword, at this point, what I'm telling you the problem, your resume don't have the keywords, good keywords. If there is no good keywords, how it will come up in front of everyone? Right? You mentioned this thing, but you are not selling the thing in a proper way. You are selling the thing like this. I'm managing infrastructure. Tell it that it's a Azure infrastructure, then some icing will be there.
Yeah, but sir, in the roles and responsibilities, I have mentioned it how what kind of work I do.
Then if you are mentioning all these things, put it into the top. Make it, remove all these things. If it's not useful, remove it.
Okay, means I have to make it short.
Yes, you have, see, whatever is good, you have to show that thing. If interviewer will read all these things, he will say, man, this person don't know how to write a DevOps also. He will think like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Kubernetes, Kubernetes spelling wrong. Okay, what is the difference between Docker and Kubernetes?
So, like to manage the Docker, Kubernetes is the orchestration tool.
5% correct answer. Give me the proper answer. What is the difference between Docker and Kubernetes? Why Kubernetes came into the picture? Chalo, you given this answer. Why? What is Kubernetes?
The Kubernetes, like as of now, like I am working on application support. Like it provides you with a framework to run all the nodes and pods without any issue.
20% correct answer, but it's still a lot of things are
Here,
pending.
can I say answer?
Yeah, Sudha, go ahead.
Here Docker and Kubernetes are the container managing tool only, but in the
No. Wait. Docker is a container development application. Okay. Kubernetes is container management system.
yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now go ahead. Now give your answer.
Here in the Docker, the multiple container management is not that much easy. In the Kubernetes, if you can say scaling up and scaling down the replicas, you can manage easily in the this. When you want to deploy the multiple containers, automatic scaling, load balancing, these are not coming into the features of the Kubernetes. But in this Docker, you need to use the Docker Swarm, I think, for the multiple containers managing.
Okay. Yeah, your answer is 60%. Reach till 60%. Okay. I will tell you. With the help of Docker, you can develop the containers. Right? Sudha, agree with my point? With the help of this approach, with the help of Docker file, with the help of images, pull and push, you can create the containers. Agree?
Yes, yes.
If let assume container is 5, 10, 15, 20, 100, we can manage with the help of Docker commands itself. But when the container count become 100,000, lakhs, millions, then you can't manage with the help of Docker commands, or with the help of Docker Swarm also you can't manage. Then you have to go into the Kubernetes only is the solution. The real-time answer is if you will go into the Netflix, Netflix, okay, Netflix number of containers, if you will read it, 500,000 of containers are available per cluster per day. So this many number of containers cannot be managed with the help of Docker command. How many times you will write the Docker commands?
Yes, you need to individually, for each container, you need to run the command and up the container. So that will be very difficult.
Very difficult. That's why Kubernetes come into the picture, okay, to manage all these things with the help of automations. Okay. And what all automations? Sudha, you are giving the answer. First, let's who is the person? Devendu, give the answer. What all automations are available into the Kubernetes?
Sir, like load balancing.
Okay.
And
yes, load balancer option is written. Yes.
yeah. If something is, if some node is not working, so in place of that, another node will start working.
If the node is creating a problem, Kubernetes will reinitiate or recreate the new node itself. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. What else? Node management can be automated with the help of Kubernetes. Okay.
Yeah.
I agree
Node
with the point.
management.
What
Pod
else?
management.
Pod management. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
What is pod
And
management? Can you tell me the proper answer? What do you mean by pod management? What all kinds will come into inside this?
This I am not aware.
Okay. Chalo. Sudha, give the answer.
I'm not that much deep knowledge having that Kubernetes, but I have the idea overall how we can deploy.
How you will ask the 15 lakh package if you will say I'm not aware about it?
If you lost the container, if you lost the containers, it will automatically it will create the pod management.
Correct. How automatically it will happen? Yes, your answer is correct. How it will happen? What is the mechanism?
We can deploy
using the services.
No, it's not a services. Services is not the correct answer. Ramu,
Yes, deployment concept.
Correct. Deployment concept. Ramu, switch on the camera. Switch on the camera. Yep. Yeah. Ramu, now give the answer. Yes.
We can use the deployments for the launching the pods, and also so if you want a service and ingress, you can write the ingress.
Don't go into the another part. Ingress is a different thing. Okay. Ingress is a different thing. Service is a different thing. Yeah, the answer is deployment. Your answer is correct. Okay.
Deployment strategies, sir, will be using.
If you want to give some more answer, then go into the replica set. Okay.
Okay.
Ingress is a different thing. Chalo, if I will ask you the question,
yes,
how to create a deployment or how to create an ingress, whatever the Sudha is giving the answer, how to write a code.
Okay, using ML syntax, we can write the file for the kind, then
Sudha, can you write it in front of everyone? Is that possible?
Manifest file. We have to mention the manifest file along with the.
Ramu, yes. How can you do it in front of everyone?
I'm opening in mobile, so I can't do it. Someone can do it. I think.
Okay, I will do it. No worries. I will do it. Tell me how to do it. Let assume I'm not a good developer. Okay, but I'm opening my Visual Studio. Okay.
Give me a minute. I'll switch to the laptop.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I can give. Okay.
Okay.
No worries. But yeah, anyone can give me the answer. How to do this thing? How to write a code?
API server, API version we have to given. The
Ramu,
version.
wait. Ramu, I'm creating one file, ramu.yml. Okay, Ramu is giving the answer. I'm creating one file, ramu.yml. New file, ramu.yaml. I'm pressing enter, and Ramu file will get created. Right? This is empty file. Ramu, is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Now give the answer. Please switch on the camera. Please switch on the camera. I don't want to. Yes. Yeah. Now give the answer.
Okay, API version.
My God, you will tell me to write manually everything.
Yeah. No.
I'm a DevOps engineer, man.
Only
I'm not a developer. I'm a DevOps engineer.
Just open the Kubernetes site and then just type deployment file. Then just you will get your template and modify.
That is also tough thing, man. Copy paste is also tough thing. What I'm telling, I'm a DevOps engineer. I don't know the coding. Okay, one thing. Second thing.
Use ChatGPT to write it.
We have the notepad.
Simple way.
Here is the notepad. What to do with the notepad?
No. Just go to the ChatGPT and ask to write a YAML file. Then just
see, I'm already opening a Visual Studio. Whatever you want, tell me, sir. Can you create a kind? Can you create a pod? Can you create a service?
Create one file.
Can you create a pod?
Okay, let me create a pod. Okay, the question came from you. Let's create a pod. How to create it? Just type KUBE. Okay, you want to create a pod cube.pod. Okay, just click here. Code is ready. Why to write it? We are the DevOps engineer, right? We will not write the code, but just change the name. Done. And delete it, whatever the extra things are there.
Same thing. Also deployments are there, sir.
Super.
Everything. See, I am deleting everything. Do you want to create a deployment? KUBE.deployment. Yes, there is a deployment is available. Just click here. Deployment is ready. Why to write a code? We are the DevOps engineer. We are not a developers. I will write this type of code in some seconds only. Just change the name. You are telling API version, right kind, and all these things. Yes, this is the thing. If you don't need all these things, extra things, delete it. Not required. That's it. Done. I'm done with the deployment code. Change the name, whatever your name, application name, e-commerce, ECOMMERCE. Done.
Okay. I have one doubt. Any plugins to need to install from Visual Studio?
Yes, plugin is required. Yes. Okay. Go here. Just type Kubernetes plugin. Okay. KUBER.
Okay.
I have installed in my machine. Kubernetes plugin is already installed. Kubernetes. See here.
Okay.
This is the plugin who is writing the code for me.
Okay. It is not required for the deployment any. Okay.
We don't know about this.
I will teach. If you don't know this thing, I will teach now.
I don't know exactly.
We know which batch student you are.
I am last March end, I think March end.
1.5 year old, right?
Yeah.
If things are changing into 1.5 years.
Yes.
Yes.
We know the only for website we can take the Kubernetes file.
Copy paste, man.
I'm also doing the same.
Yeah. Okay. If you know how to do the copy paste, it's okay. But just download this software, Visual Studio. I will teach in very first day only. Okay. Download this tool. Whatever the plugins are required, day by day we will install here. And whatever the codes has to be get upgraded. Just write it like this. That's it.
These things.
People are worried about how to write a code, I'm telling why you are worried about writing a code. You don't have to write it. You have to just understand the thing. If you understand the thing, just type it. It will be done. This is the coding which a DevOps engineer required. Got it?
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Okay, cool. And yes, someone is giving the answer related to Kubernetes. Yes, Kubernetes can do the deployment, scheduling, scaling, load balancing, batch execution, rollback, monitoring. That's why the Kubernetes is required. Automated container management or orchestration system. Yep. And we will learn a lot of things into the Kubernetes as well. Okay. And my students are clearing the CK certificate as well. I can show that part as well. From the batch 27, students are writing the CK batch BATCH hyphen 27. Here I'm going inside it. Okay. Yep. I'm going back. See why the congratulations is happening. Okay, got the job in TCS. Okay, congratulations. My students are getting the jobs as well. Okay, got the job in TCS. Congratulations. If you will go little bit up, going up. See, this student has written the CK certificate as well. What is the use of CK? Can anyone give me the answer?
Sorry. Can you repeat it?
What is the use of CK certificate?
It will be getting high package, I think.
I told the same thing. Superb. It's a big achievement, buddy. You must have to add this in your resume and into the Naukri profile and ask 5 lakh extra because of this certificate. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. And whatever I teach is more than enough. He cleared. He did his homework as well, and he cleared the certificate, and he can ask more package as well. That's it.
And one more thing, because this certificate we are giving the course like Helm chart creation and PVC. All things for the Kubernetes, including for the certification.
Yes, I will teach. Yes, that is required. I will teach it.
Okay, got it.
Okay. And see, what is your question? PVC creation, right? PVC, so we can directly create it with the help of kubectl commands. These are the commands here. And in the PVC, I think in your batch 25 or 26 also, I given the case study of what we can say Netflix. I was teaching that time or not?
I'm not there. Last March, I'm.
Yeah, 1 year back, I was not teaching the Netflix thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Nowadays, I'm teaching the Netflix case study also because Netflix is completely on the Kubernetes. So if you will see here, see here, Netflix use the different subscriptions for different port. Netflix, and we are taking the real-time example of the Netflix case study, and we are learning into our Kubernetes classes.
Sir, is there any site where we can get the DevOps interview real-time questions?
There are lots of websites. Go into the Google, type it, DevOps, DEVOPS, 100 interview. Everything is real. What is the difference between real and fake? Interview is the same one.
No. Means what I am trying to say is that in these links we are getting the theoretical question that what is containerization and all. But in the interview, they ask like, suppose that you
give the interview to me. Give the interview to me. I will tell you the questions and answers.
Okay, like I was asked once that one pod is getting down at a particular time in each and every day. Then correct. What are you gonna do?
Yes, one of the interview question. Cool. Let's discuss this question. Let's discuss. Guys, who is able to give the answer here? If one of the pod is going down every day on a particular time, what can be the possible reason?
And what is the possible resolution for this?
Yes, resolution to will come first. Let's the problem find. If we find the problem, we will able to resolve it. Yes. First, how you will get to know that at which time it is going down? Give the answer.
Can you repeat again?
Guys, Devanshu, ask the question again, please. Okay.
Yeah. The question was, in a DevOps environment or in a Kubernetes environment, one pod is getting down every day at a particular time. Like suppose that between 12 and 1. So the question. So now the question is that what is the root cause for this, and how we should overcome this?
Yeah, sure.
I think that is getting the high traffic.
I think you will think is not the answer. Okay, don't give this. I think. Okay, prove it that the high traffic is coming into that part. How you will prove it?
Here, two possibilities. One is the if you have the more traffic, the scaling will happen. If you have less traffic, right, the another pod which is extra, which is running now, it will get down. So maybe the traffic is on that time it will be low. Replica.
How you will find Sudha, how you will find the which time? First, give me the answer in a step by step. How you will find that at which time it is happening the issue?
We will first check the log files and check the events.
Using checking the
log and events,
we'll get to know about the timing, which timing it is.
See, checking the timing with the help of log is very difficult. Okay, go to any of the monitoring tools.
Monitoring tools, either Prometheus. Yes.
Correct. Not Prometheus. Go to the Grafana directly.
Grafana. Okay.
Monitor MONITORING monitoring tool. Grafana. Okay. So that what will happen in the Grafana at the particular time, the graph
will show.
Fluctuate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And open the graph for the next 7 days. So that what will happen, you will get the particular time. Okay, or information how many times it goes down. This work will be done by the L1 team itself, right? Because if the issue is coming to the DevOps, means definitely the L1 team has find out this answer because they are good into the monitoring team, right? After that, you will get a detail that at 1 a.m. IST, this is going down every day. So what you will do, you will check the logs, okay, or events for that particular time. How you will check the logs? Either manually with the help of command. What is the command?
Also, we can also check it with the help of
get logs.
KUBECTL, get logs or pod name.
Pod name.
Okay? Or no need of the get command, kubectl log pod name, and you will get all the logs, right? Just check it manually, or otherwise, if you have Splunk or something logging tool, go into the logging tool, find out the just get the pod name or deployment name and check it into the Splunk, and you will get all the logs for that particular time, right? Now, choose the particular time from this 1 a.m. IST and get the logs. Is that okay? If you will see the logs, you will get the answer. Or if it's a CPU memory, see in the monitoring team, monitoring also, we will get to know if it's going down with the help of CPU memory, out of memory, or traffic. Right? All this answer will become from the monitoring team itself, that because of the CPU is low, it is getting down. Because of the memory, it is out of memory failure. It is traffic, then it is going down, right? Or if Java process or some application is running, if it's a Java-based application, garbage collection is going high on that time, or what we can say, some infinity loop is running or something, it will give the answer from the L1 team itself, right? And we will check the logs and we will get to know the real problem, what exactly the problem is. Based on the problem, we will find out the RCA. And then if it's a CPU memory issue, increase the CPU memory, right? If it's a traffic issue, distribute the traffic into the multiple pods. If the one pod is running, then make it to 2 or make it 3. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Getting my point? Solution will come based on the problem. If it's a memory issue, increase the memory. If it's a CPU issue, increase the CPU. If it's a traffic issue, increase the traffic or distribute the traffic. If it's a Java-based application issue, tell to the developer, because of this problem, this is getting down or this is creating a problem. Fix it. Their developer will fix the application. That's it. Or if any other issue will come, we will get to know from the log, and based on that, we will create a solution. Right? Or if let assume if there are one pod, if let assume 10 pods are running. Okay. If one pod is going down, you don't have to worry because you are running the Kubernetes environment. If one pod is down, Kubernetes will make it up.
Auto scaling.
Auto scaling or automatic container management will happen. Yep.
And using the replicas also, I think.
Using the replicas also. Yes. If you will see my image, I will explain the thing. Who are very new, he will understand with the help of replicas. Okay. His question is, one pod is getting down. Okay. Another pod will be up in some couple of seconds automatically with the help of replica. Okay. Just the keyword is replica equal to 5. Just write it.
So sir, now like the environment is not upon the virtual machines. Now it is on the containers.
No, it's a Kubernetes. Okay, there's no virtual machine environment. Kubernetes environment.
Yeah. So sir, मतलब now virtual machines वाला time अब गया क्या?
जाने वाला है थोड़े time में. अभी तो है. Now okay, but yeah, there is a lot of problem with the virtual machine. You have to invest a lot of money into the virtual machine. So now the containers came into the picture.
So virtual machines means what investment is there? It is already on the cloud, no?
Okay, you don't have to pay the rent.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
we have
go.
to pay the rent.
Yes. If you are
Yes,
paying
we
the
have to.
rent, it's an investment only. It's a money.
And one more doubt is
Is
uh,
this one second? One second. Is this clear? Divanshu has asked the question, right? You got the answer. Uh, Divanshu got the answer. Yes or no?
Yes, my internet got unstable, so that is why I
Very,
wasn't able to
very,
speak.
very bad. Okay. And I will give you all these troubleshooting steps also into the Kubernetes. Lots of troubleshooting steps are there. Okay. If one pod is going down, it is not coming up, and how it has to be get fixed. All this step by step with the help of yes or no kind of thing. And if all
So, sir,
good,
like in AWS, like in your course, we will also read the AWS till what level?
10 services.
Till
10 services.
okay, okay. I
10
thought that
services.
we will also cover that solution architect associate part as well.
In the solution architect, also 10 services are there. Check the syllabus.
Okay.
Yes.
So, sir, like AWS admin course will also be covered.
See, I don't want to go only the AWS. I want to teach you the cloud as well as the DevOps. You will become a
Yes.
DevOps engineer. You will become a solution architect. Whatever you want, you can become. Okay. But I will
Yeah.
teach you the real-time work which you have to do into your company. Okay. I don't want to teach you the certification person. If you have a certificate, if you don't have the knowledge, it's a zero weightage.
Yeah.
Right? I will give you
Yes.
the knowledge so that you can work into the real-time companies. You can discuss your problems with me. I will give you the solutions. I will teach and I will give you the solution. If I will teach it, the solutions, you can make it by own.
Yes, sir.
Right? Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Sir, any evening batch?
No, only morning batch. I am also a working professional. I'm taking only one batch, 8 a.m. batch.
Okay.
Yep. But I will teach you the things which I'm working as a 11 years or 12-year experienced person. I will teach all that also in my batch based on the requirements. Vinu, I think when 1 year back, this PPT, this all things was not there, right? Yes or no? Yep. Guys, anyone has the resume which I have to review? Pramod, may I know? Okay, leave it. Some no.
So nowadays, like
Sudhakar.
people are making the resume with the help of ChatGPT.
You
So
can take it. What is the benefit? But what is the
yes,
benefit?
the benefit is like that. Yeah, it is putting only one answer at a time, and you can
So,
it
create
just
an
provides you the
answer with the
template.
help. See, create an answer with the help of ChatGPT. Resume is so you will get a call. If you will not able to clear the interview, what is the use of getting 100 calls or 100 interviews?
Sir, first thing is to get a call.
That's
Then
valid.
Call, so you will get it. If you will upload into the Naukri profile, Naukri, you will get 5 to 7 calls per day. But see, Devanshu, you will not get a call because your resume that much not capable. Simple answer.
okay, yes, that is what I was asking.
Yes, see, I'm telling that whatever the points you are mentioning it, you have to mention it very properly. Then only you will get a good calls. And if you will
Okay.
create with the help of ChatGPT, what you will say? I am Devanshu, create a resume for me. But he don't know
No,
about you. So how he will create a resume for you?
no, we can write it like that. Create a resume for infrastructure engineers, DevOps, something like that.
Okay. Then he will create a resume which you don't know the answers also. Are you able to get the crack the interview also?
Yes.
You will not able to crack the interview, then it's a waste. Okay. Simple. Whatever you know, whatever you have a 2 years of experience, whatever you did into the 2 years, whatever you have the learning, write it everything here. That's it. Simple. Make the thing simple now.
Sir, वही तो लिखा था but
If you want
I don't know.
see, I will tell you. If you want a good resume, this Sudhakar resume is also looks good to me. Copy paste from him now. Sudhakar resume is sweet and simple. You can copy paste from him. Or who is that other person? Who is that person? Prabhi, you can take the resume, copy the things from his resume. Or
Sudhakar.
whatever. Yep. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Guys, anyone want to get your resume reviewed? Let me know, please.
Hi Vikash, it's Khalid.
Hey, hi Khalid.
How are you doing, guys? All good?
I'm good.
Yeah, I would like to ask you one question regarding, I am not now in the position to to prepare my resume. I'm fresher. I'm
Okay.
starting my journey with you.
See, you can take any one of your. See, if you are a fresher, at least create some resume that will be your profile to show in front of any interviewer or front of anyone, right?
What I would like to ask you is, here in UK, mostly of the company, especially in fintech, they rely third-party company who make the verification of the CV, job title, education, whatsoever, and how it works. Let's say that you are fresher and the knowledge that we are getting from you is value 3 to up to 5 years.
See, my things are very simple.
You stated that you have 5 years or 3 years.
Okay.
Okay,
Khalid, see, my things are very simple. Learn the things, write it into the resume. What you have to learn, learn all these things with me. Okay. Write all these things, 40 lines with 4 projects in the resume and get the job. That's it. My things are very simple. People will ask what to write it. I will give you the straightforward answer, what to write it. I will give the straightforward answer, how to introduce yourself. I will give you the right straightforward answer from where you will get a calls. Okay, I will give a very straightforward answer. What is your day-to-day activities? Remember this and say in front of interviewer, because I have teach all these things. Okay, DevOps roles and responsibility. Learn it.
Okay, but my question is, let's say that I state in my resume that I worked for Cloud DevOps Hub for many years. In
okay.
They will contact.
They will, yes, if you will say like that, they will contact with me and I have to verify that yes, this person is working for me.
So in my position now, I am a first line, second line in a fintech company.
Okay.
So how should I say that I have 3 to up to 5 years of experience?
See, I will not teach you the fake things. Okay, I will tell you whatever the genuine thing, just change the little bit with the profile. Okay, and give the interview. That's it. Okay. If you are a fresher, don't write 5 years. Okay, please. If you are a fresher, write it fresher. If you want to add some fake experience, then I'm not the right person for all these things. I can teach you. You can give the answer, give the answers based on your knowledge or based on the learning till 5 years, 7 years. That I can give the guarantee that you will be able to give the answer if you will learn with me. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Right? Yes. Because see, I will not teach any fake thing, nothing like that, because things are very simple. Create a good resume.
No. The knowledge is there after completion of AWS DevOps course and with your help.
Yep.
But,
then see, if you see, you will give a mock interview to me. I will only tell that you are capable for this much. I will take the interview. Okay, see what will happen. I will take my students mock interview every weekend. Okay, or every Wednesday. And I will give the truth that you are capable for this much package. You are capable to write 3 years, 4 years in your resume, or 5 years, 10 years. And simple, they will go for the interview with the whatever I will tell, and they will clear the interview. That's it. I will make the things very simple. I will give the answer if you will give the interview to me. Without giving the interview, nothing into the air. Okay, you have to give the interview to me. Then only I will tell that you are that much capable. You will able to clear this much interviews, and you will get it cleared.
Okay.
I can imagine most of your student and audience is in India. It can happen that, for
No,
example, that I say,
it's not like that. My students are in India. My students are from US, UK, Germany, Australia as well. In every batch, I have a student from other countries as well. If you will see here in the batch 30, okay, my students are from what we can say France, France, okay.
it can happen that I'm stating I am a fresher,
you don't have to worry.
but I have this knowledge,
Okay.
which is value of up to 5 years.
I haven't get your question, but see, my students are from the France. Okay, Satish Goli, France, batch number 29. Mithun, MITHUN. My student from the Canada, my student from the US, UK, Germany, everywhere. It's not like that. Only Indians are my students.
Okay.
Okay. See, if batch is mentioned in the end, means he is the batch 20th student. He is from the Canada. Okay, like that. See, hi Vikas sir, how are you? This is from that I am not attending the presentation session. Doesn't matter. It's okay. But see, he is my student.
Okay, anyway, see you tomorrow.
Yep. Guys, my things are very simple. Learn the things with me. Give the interview to me. You will be into the truth. I will not say any lie, no fake things. I will tell you the truth that you are capable to give 2 years interview, 5 years interview. Write it in your resume. Copy the points. If you need a resume from me, I will give you the 100% same resume. Whatever you have to make it, just change your name and do it. I already given to my students sample and actual resume. Okay, just change your name, add your points, add your education, everything, and go for the interview. And you will get a lot of calls.
Very clear.
And getting
Thank
a
you very
call
much.
and getting a calls is my responsibility. You will get it for sure because I will teach you how to play with the algorithm of Naukri. Yeah, and internal calls. I will give you a lot of internal calls. If you will see here, classrooms. Okay, any of the classroom, you will see a lot of what we can say internal referrals. Referral 12. Okay, for this. Okay, referral 11 for the USA, for the US also. Okay, with the H1B1 visa. Okay, referral 10 for the SAP freshers also. Okay, into the Infosys. Directly contact with this person. If you are a fresher, trained onto the cloud and DevOps, just send your resume. He will take your 15-minute discussion. Okay, and he will give you the internship into the Infosys. That's it. Straightforward, very simple. He can take half an hour interview discussions with you, 2 rounds. If your academics is very clear, okay, 60% throughout in all the things, you are done. That's it. Internship into the source focus, always work from home. You will get it. Like that, lots of internal openings are also there. Cool, Khalid. I can able to see you. Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
See you tonight in my time.
Definitely, yes. Cool.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Hey, Guru.
Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Yep.
Sir,
Guru,
just one doubt, sir. Actually, my friend got an interview. He
Switch on
had
the
done
camera.
an interview and I had a question like that.
Switch on the camera. Switch on the camera.
Yes, sir. So he was asked about how to suppose a node is getting a lot of traffic and it's getting a little bit slow. So
Okay.
how you will create a new node on the Kubernetes?
Okay. Means you are asking about the node level issue, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. I will give you the answer with the practical approach. Let's go into the Google Cloud. Where is my cloud? Here is my cloud. Okay. I'm going into the cloud. If the requirement is, I will write it the question so that it will be very straightforward. Add extra node, right?
No,
That's
yes,
it.
sir. Yes,
This
sir.
is your requirement, right?
Yes, sir.
The answer is node pool, NODEPOOL. Okay.
Node.
POOL. Okay. If you will say this much also in front of interview that I will do with the help of node pool, he will understand you know the things. Okay. How to achieve this thing? I'm going into my Kubernetes cluster. Okay. Here is the cluster. Okay. I'm creating, just give me a second. I'm creating a cluster. Okay. And see, I'm going to the standard one. Okay. I don't want to go into the automated way. I will teach everything manually. Okay. Here, after creating this thing, okay, here is the option add not pull. Okay. If you will create, see at this point, if you will create it, it will create with the 3 nodes. Okay. 3 nodes will come automatically. Node pull, 3 nodes will come, right?
Okay.
There is an option here, add not pull. If you will add the not pull, one more pull has been added. Okay. And see here, default pull and node pull means extra nodes will be available here if required.
Okay. So for the existing project, sir, if I'm if a application running in a cluster is already running, so I need to add a.
You can add node pull, yes. This
to the
option
existing
is
itself, add node pull.
Yep, definitely yes. You can add it.
Okay. Suppose in case the application is not in a cloud, I am running in on-prem.
Okay.
In that case, sir.
Then you have to create a one more extra VM.
Okay.
Okay. KubeADM, KUBADM. Have you heard about KubeADM?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Add the KubeADM and then join it. That's it. This is also called as node pull. It's very equal to
sir.
node pull.
Okay, sir.
Yep. Very same. There is no difference at all. This is a virtual machine approach. This is a GKE approach, Google Kubernetes Engine.
So this then the whatever the node we are adding, that IP address will be taken care of this.
It's a new IP address. New IP address will come. If
Okay.
we are talking question about here, the
Yes,
internal IP will get generated here.
Generated automatically.
Yeah, automatically. Based on your CIDR in, it will be get generated. This answer is for the GKE. This is on premises in AWS. Add node, okay, and then with the help of KubeADM or with the help of KubeADM or cluster, AKS and EKS, sorry, EKS and join it. That's it. This is a AWS answer. You want to answer in Azure also? I can give the answer into the Azure as well. Same approach. Add node, okay, add a node, okay, add node VM, okay, here INSTNC instance, okay, and here it's a AKS, add into the AKS cluster.
Okay.
These are the answer: on premises, Google Cloud, AWS, and Azure.
Okay. Okay, and size of the instance and all we have to mention separately and link that.
If it's a virtual machine, obviously you have to decide your size.
Okay.
If it's a cloud, you have to discuss. You have to decide it here. 2 CPU, 4 GB, whatever you want, you can choose it from here.
Yes, sir. Okay.
If you want to see virtual machine, the first approach manually, I can show that also. Go to any of the hypervisor tool. This is my hypervisor tool, Oracle VM box. Okay. And here, let's assume you have a Ubuntu machine. Okay. Go to the settings. In the settings, system here, it's a 4 GB, it's a 2 GB at this point. Increase or decrease as per your requirement.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Got it.
Cool. Yeah, guys. Any other resume related question, please?
No, related to Kubernetes, I have one.
Go ahead.
Yeah. In the Kubernetes, the 2 ports are how to communicate, like different environment.
2 ports into the different nodes you are talking about?
Yeah, different nodes. How to communicate with 2 ports?
2 ports, okay, and they are into the different nodes, right? How they will communicate. Yes, give the answer, guys. First try, other person try it. I will give you the correct answer. Yes.
In a cluster, we have the scheduler. The master will be there. So here the scheduler will schedule and the data will be stored in the.
Don't give irrelevant answers. Okay, give the straightforward answer. Interview will understand that you know the reality or not.
Okay.
Yep.
Cluster IP or node port.
Don't give the wrong answer, please.
Okay.
No guess. Yes. Other person, please. Guys, there is an option. How the 2 ports, if they are into the different node, they will talk. Ramu, guys, Kubernetes persons, give the answer. Guru, try it. You are asking a high level questions, but this is a very basic inside application level question. Your question was infrastructure level. I need a application level. This is application level question.
Not sure.
Okay,
So
no
it's
problem.
like using that cluster IP, sir. And
Yeah,
labeling,
correct. Yeah, correct.
labeling,
Cluster IP.
labeling, cluster IP, labeling.
Labeling is also okay.
Okay.
Cluster IP is also okay. I'm okay with this. Okay, but there is a better answer is available. We can say best answer. You can achieve the thing with this approach also, but there is another best option is also available. Chalo. A pod, B pod. Okay, these are the two pods. A pod, create a SERVICs. Okay, create a B SERVIC, and they can talk with each other directly because these are the services. Services has the IP address.
Okay.
Got it? Got the answer?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Actually, in the
using,
service, we can have different type of communication protocols we can use.
Multiple options are there. Whatever the guru is answer giving the cluster IP, node pod IP, load balancer IP, ingress, anything, whatever you want, you can do it, but create a service and it will happen. Guys, understand the basics. If you understand the basic, you will able to give the scenario based answers, big answers as well. Basics are required. And if you will see this question also, who has asked this question? I have also explained in my classroom as well. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Service. Okay. Service. And here is the answer. Service, cluster IP, node pod IP, load balancer. See, the service is responsible to make our pod discoverable inside the network or exposing them to the internet. Yep. And over the pod, the service, how to create a service, kubectl get service, or we can create it with the help of UI as well, or with the help of command as well, which I am teaching into the project. Any other person who want to get your resume reviewed? Let me check it. Anyone send it? No, no one has sent it.
Here my question is, after reviewing my resume, how much package should I get?
No, I can't say that with the help of resume, you will not get a package. You have to give the interview to me.
Okay.
Then only I will tell you
Okay.
how much package you will get it. See, on the basis of resume, if the package will come, everyone will create a same package which Sundar Pichai has or someone has, right? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
With the help of resume, package will not come. Okay, you will get a call. That's okay. But yeah, give the interview so that I can give the truth answer. Sudha, I have your resume, right? If you want to get it right away, I am able to. This is your right, Sudhakar.
Yes, yes.
Sudhakar, 3 years of experience, AWS plus DevOps, Infosys. Okay, if you are Infosys, you are already into the lesser side. Okay, I can guess it.
I can guess you get.
This is my old resume. I think I have sent to your WhatsApp. That is the latest one.
Okay.
This is the old one. I have updated it.
So you have to give your mobile number. Which
9618. Go down. 9618. That below one. Yes, that is the one.
676.
Yes.
Okay, I'm opening this. Okay, yeah, I think I have downloaded. Okay.
It is already opened, I think.
Yes, Sudhakar. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. 3 years Infosys. Okay, migration you have added. You can ask 1 lakh package extra with the help of this line. Okay. But you have to declare your current package also in front of everyone. No,
right now it is
15 LPA. 15 LPA.
Yeah, 15. See, 3 years experience without taking the interview. I can't say 15. And he's in the Infosys. That's the problem. Okay. So the package answer I will give you 1-to-1 if you will tell me your current package. Okay.
Okay, 6.7. I can say easily.
You can go for 12 lakh package easily. Okay. Easily 12 you can go. Or if you are good into giving the answers, okay, then you can go for 15 also.
Okay. Thank you.
But whatever the things you have written in your resume, you have to give the answers. Okay. That's very important. If you will not able to give the answers, then 10 lakh or 15 lakh is very difficult. Right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
If you have the knowledge on the each one, then only put. Otherwise,
See, if you have
it will be difficult to manage in the
correct,
interview.
correct. If you are able to give this much answer, 15 is very easily you can get it. Simple. Okay. Because the good thing is you are from the good organization Infosys. So people will not do the background check for you because Infosys already did it. They will just verify that you are into the Infosys. That's it. If you will show the salary slip, all the background check is done. Because Infosys already did it. So you don't have to worry.
These and all are genuine. So
Correct.
nothing.
Correct. Yeah. So no one has to worry. And they will easily go for 15 also. Okay. Yep. Cool. Guys, any other question related to the resume? Just want to inform you guys, I am starting a new batch, which is from tomorrow. Okay. And whoever is interested to join this batch, here is the link. Just click on this page, go to my website, click on this link and register it. And tomorrow will be the day 1 session for that. Okay. And this is the syllabus. Here is the syllabus. If you will see the poster, what you want to, definitely you want to see it. Okay. Here's the poster, which will take care of the 9 modules, online live training sessions like this only. You can ask n number of questions, 40% theory, 60% practical, or even more into the practicals and scenarios as well. You will learn from the very basic cloud computing as well as DevOps assessments. Every modules will be there. Real-time projects, I will give it to you. This type of weekend workshop, we will do it. Interview preparation, you will give a mock interview to me. I will give you the truth that how much percentage answer you are giving. And all sessions will be like this only until unless I will able to give your answers, until unless the course will get complete, the session will be run. Last batch has been started on 22nd of Feb. It will take around 2.5 months time for me to complete all these things. And every Wednesday, 9 p.m. is the mock interview. Like this, today is a resume making session, right? Same, everything happen at the 9 p.m. every Wednesday. So that you can come up with your current resume, whatever you have. I will teach you the tips and tricks one by one to you guys, what you have to write it, how to get a good resume, how to get a good call, and all these things we will do every Wednesday. Okay, and this is the batch which we are going to start from the 8th of May, 8 a.m. IST. Monday to Friday, it will run for the 2.5 months. This is my batch 30th. And all the recordings, PPTs, everything, I will give it to you. Whatever I'm showing to you, this all has been developed for you only. Is that okay? Any question? And this course is not only for AWS, this is a multi-cloud because I know all the cloud. I'm an expertise into the Google Cloud as well as AWS. And I know Azure also, but I will not teach all the cloud. AWS is primarily as based on syllabus. Some extra thing I will teach on the Google Cloud so that two clouds will be in your resume. If 2 clouds will be there, the chances will be high for the selections and you will able to compare the things. Okay. And just that's the new batch we are starting from the tomorrow.
Course fee?
The fees is 25,000 at this point, but if you are coming with the workshop, we can give some discount and it will come to 22K. After the batch has been started, the fees will be 25 and the students will be very limited. I'm able to manage 20 students, 30 students very easily. You can see here, none of the students will do unnecessary things. Okay. Every control is in my hand. So you will not feel any disturbance, nothing, or everyone came here for the learning purpose. People will learn it. And that's my responsibility. Is that okay?
Good.
And all sessions will be like this. If you want to see any of the particular session, any of the particular PPT from me, let me know. I will show it right away. Okay. See, all the PPTs which has been developed for you is like this. Okay. Some advanced topics, some old PPTs, advanced topics, AWS workshops, and like that module 1, module 3, module 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. All the PPTs will be here. Sessions will be live. within 20 minutes, as soon as the session will get complete, 20 minutes, you will get a recording into your Google Drive. Okay. What is exactly the Google Drive is? If you will open it here, like this, multiple folders. For me, multiple folders. For you, one folder will be there. Okay. Which I will give you the link. I will give you the access. Automatically, the recording will be available into this drive. You can watch it whenever you want. Okay. And it's a Google Drive. So it's my responsibility. 1 year, I will take care. If anything happen wrong or something happen, I will give you the new batch access. So you don't have to worry. Secondly, if it's a Google Drive, it will be definitely there. By mistaken, if you will remove or something, like some students has already did it. Rashmi, Rashmi, right? See, yesterday she has messaged me, sir, by mistaken, I deleted my videos or something like that. So I don't have any problem. She is batch 26. I given the batch 27 access. Yesterday only I given in front of you guys, right? Remember? Yes or no? Some students were there yesterday only. It's 11:57. We given the access. Same thing. Yes, he is able to access it. So it's my responsibility if videos goes by mistake and anywhere or anything. It's my responsibility. I will give it. I will give you the new batch access also. Cool. And everything is very systematic. We have made the syllabus based on the requirements, based on the new things. The course is always updating it. If you will see this course after 6 months, again, some more new things will come, whatever based on the student's requirement. As well as we have a one student choice session also, extra topic, whatever the extra topic you want to learn it, you can tell me some days before that so that I can get it prepared, or I will hire someone to teach you that thing. It can be anything. It can be Splunk. I know Splunk. I know AWS DevOps. I know migration. I know YAML. Everything. I know this thing. If something is extra required, let me know. I will hire the person for some extra classes and I will get that topic done. Okay. But everything has to be taken care by me itself. Is that okay? Venkatesh, Vivekanand is messaging me. Vivekanand, just tell me what you want.
Yeah, hi sir. Actually, I just want
click
to how
on the
to.
request access, just he can approve, then it will be open.
Man, to get a resume, this much tough things.
Sometimes people are thinking different ways, not in a single way. So that will be.
Vivekanand, switch on the camera. Switch on the camera. Sudha, switch on the camera at least. Yep, Vivekanand, go ahead. Yes, switch on the camera. Ask the thing. What you have? Yes, go ahead. Vivekanand, we are not able to see you. It's a complete black screen is coming. Yeah, Vivekanand, go ahead. What's your question? Guys, I want to say that our all session will be like that interactive. Okay, it will be good. Means here I am telling you to switch on the camera in the real class. If you will not, if you don't want to, it's okay. Okay, because it's a morning time. Girls are without makeup, like that. A lot of things, right?
Yeah, hi. Sorry, actually, my internet connection.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead with your
I
question.
just want to know how to mention the skills for the DevOps fresher.
Simple, man. If you know the things, write it in your resume. If you don't know, don't write it. If you want to write it, these are the 100 points are there. Whatever you want to write, write it if you have the knowledge.
Okay.
That's it. This all, if you are a fresher, experience doesn't matter, right? If you are a fresher, write that I know the configuration. If you are experienced, I'm expertise in doing the configuration of EC2 with the S3 with into the AWS cloud. This is experience. Right?
Yeah.
If you are a fresher, you can mention that I know how the budget, how the AWS S3 bucket configuration or classes works. But if you are experienced, you can say that I'm expertise in doing this thing with the help of into the VPC, into this part like that. That's it.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I given permission. Can you just check my resume?
Okay. I haven't raised it first thing. Okay. Please allow. Okay. I'm raising it. Yep. No, not yet. Yeah, now I'm able to see Vivekanand resume. CSC undergraduate, okay. DevOps completely okay. You will not get international calls. You are a which year student, buddy?
Yeah,
2007,
I'm just passed out 2022.
2022. Mention some internship or something like that, no? Or some training or something like that.
Okay. Actually, I mentioned that in work experience Java developer.
Work experience Java developer intern engaging development 21 to 22. Okay, that's okay. But you will get a Java calls. Okay, you will not get a cloud or DevOps call because you haven't mentioned much things into the cloud, DevOps, AWS.
Okay.
Copy some points from my displays. Write it in your resume. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, and be a knowledgeable. Definitely, you will able to crack the interview as well. Or I will, if you are my student, I will give you one training certificate. Okay. For that, this part like that, you can mention that I am a trained candidate from the last 6 months. If you have any gap or something like that, you can write it in your resume. No, you don't have the gap, no worries. But yeah, from the second month of 2022, right? And it's a fifth month, 3 months, right? And 3 months or 2 months you will learn it. So you can mention 4-5 months of the cloud training you did, and you can mention the projects because I'm going to give you the projects as well. If you will see here, I will give you the project for the Flipkart end-to-end infrastructure development kind of thing. Okay. Second project, database creation, because my classes, I will take care of the databases as well. Where is the database? Here is the database related thing, VPC database, right? This is my second project. If you will come down, I will CI/CD. This is completely a AWS plus DevOps related thing, which is a project one here. Okay. So I will give you this all projects also so that you can directly copy paste in your resume. That's it.
Okay.
Yep. And must prepare this answer. I will take care of all these things because whenever you will go for the interview, very first question, tell me about yourself, right? Second, all these questions will be like this. Okay. And how to give the answers also, I will teach you that time. Okay. And I will give you some extra projects or some final project. What all things will be in your resume? Lot of things. And if you will write it like this, rejected. If you will write the same thing like this, it will get selected. Some student, right? Who is that? Yeah, this is not looks good. How to write it in a better way? I will teach that also things.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. Okay, guys. If nothing beyond that, I'm good. Let's meet tomorrow from the live sessions.
Tomorrow at what time?
Okay. 8 a.m. IST. 8 a.m. always. Okay, I think it's mentioned here. AWS plus DevOps regular batch 8 a.m. IST, starting from 8th May 2023.
In chat box, Biswajit has shared his resume, sir.
Biswajit, okay. Hey, Biswajit, I'm opening your resume. Yep, I have downloaded it. Error. What is the error? Let me check it. Biswajit, unreadable format. No, man, I'm not able to open it. Open file location. Yeah, here is your resume. Okay, Biswajit, I'm just opening it. Nobody, I'm not able to open it. No. Biswajit, send into the PDF format. Okay, guys, whoever is done, you can leave for the day. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow. I will just review the Viswajit resume as well. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Bye.
much, sir.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you,
you,
sir.
everyone.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye.
Sir.
Bye. Yep.
Have
Sure.
a nice day.
Yep. Thank you. Happy weekend as well.
Already it is over. It's just
No.
few
Still,
hours.
no, still one half full day is there, we can say. Okay. Evening is there. Viswajit, send your resume again. Viswajit, unmute yourself. Viswajit itself has left. Yeah, Viswajit came. Viswajit, unmute yourself. Yes. I'm not able to open your resume.
Yes, sir. I will convert into PDF. I will give.
Yep, sure. Guru, anyone, Mohan, Samsung SM, what's your correct name? Samsung, Ashwini.
How's the market, sir? Now it's opened because of this recession, layoffs and all. How's the market now?
We don't have to worry. If you are a technology person, we don't have to much worry.
Okay, but layoffs are parallelly happening.
Happening. It's
yeah.
okay. Offers are also coming.
Okay.
See, if the package is more than 50, 60, then we have to worry about that part.
Okay.
Otherwise, no need to worry. Because I observed that lots of openings are also there.
Okay.
Biswajit, share your resume quickly. Or Mohan, anyone else? Any other question in between?
Considering this DevOps, there are huge tools, 10 to 12, basically 10 tools are there.
Huge. Yeah, definitely. There are a lot of things are there, but whatever we have to learn, I will teach it more than enough. Got my point?
Yeah.
There are a lot of things. See, if you will see here in the demo.
Told Splunk also. Now Splunk is also getting a lot of.
It's already added in my syllabus.
Okay.
Because see the demand. See, my syllabus is just demanding. See here, Splunk. Splunk has been added. Because whenever the demand will come, I will supply it. Simple.
Okay.
If in the interview people are asking about the Splunk, yes, Splunk is a good tool. We are also using it. So I want my student also has to be learned. So at this point, it's a student choice. But in future, I will add as an extra topic or one more topic, Splunk for that for sure. And it will come into this monitoring phase only. Okay, Prometheus, Grafana, and Splunk as well.
Okay. But how much expertise should be we should be in this tool, sir? Considering the percentage, all the tools, all the DevOps tools, Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible.
Whatever is in my syllabus, that much is more than enough. But Guru, what's your experience? It always matters, right? Got my point, right? See, let's assume you have 10 years of experience. So 10 years level of maturity will be required. While giving the answer. Okay. That's it. So AWS will never ending. 200 services are there. If you will learn it, all the 200 services in the next 5 years, after 5 years, 200 more services.
More service will come.
Okay. So it's never ending, right? So whatever is required, that I am teaching it. And to do the work into the real-time companies. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, Biswajit, I am opening your resume. Biswajit, same problem. Both the resume has the same problem. Yeah, now it is working. Okay. Biswajit, Bera, CCNA networking, operations, 1 year work experience is a L1. Korean network. 2 year experience is a C biscuit corporation as junior network associate. 2 years of work experience in a net technology computer in a computer faculty. Okay, 2014 to how much is the overall experience when you pass out? Biswajit, unmute yourself. 1991.
Hello.
Yep. You
Total 9 years of experience.
Biswajit, switch on your camera. Yep. You are 2014 batch pass out, right?
Yes.
Biswajit, 2 years. If you don't mind, can you tell your current package? Tell less than 10 or
My current package is 6 LP.
6 LP, right? 7 years experience, 6
Just
LP,
now,
right?
before that, I was getting 4.2 LP. Just before 20 days, I moved to new company with 6 LP.
But you have to do a lot of changes. Okay, you are a networking engineer, that looks good, but you have to add this network into the cloud. Okay, everything is same: VLAN, trunking, queue, VTP, STP, VTP, all these things are very same into the cloud. Okay, I will show you one image. Okay, I think you will able to understand that part. Okay, see this image. You are working. Why you are not getting a package? Or because you are working into this traditional things, right? Yes or no? VLAN, firewall, all these things, right? You have to just convert these names into the cloud name. That's it, and get the more package. Now you get to the 6, go into the 12 also, just change the name. That's it. Logics and everything is same. Okay. So I will teach all these things. But see, at this point, what's your current role?
It's a
network
engineer.
Network, see, be expertise more into whatever you are doing, be more expertise into that profile. Okay. If you want to come into the cloud or DevOps, I will convert everything into the cloud and DevOps with the actual approach. Okay. But if you want to be good into the networking is also a good profile. Okay. If you want to continue, you can continue into the networking profile as well. Whatever, based on your choice. Simple. You have to give me the answer. You want to come into the cloud or DevOps? Then I will give the answer accordingly. If you want to be into the networking, I will give the answer accordingly.
No,
Yep.
The networking, just now I got a chance to work as a network engineer. Before that, I am IT support engineer. I am doing more than 4 years of experience.
Then
but
I will
never get a chance.
See, then I will tell you, you have to learn the networking also, right? You are new into the networking, correct? So if you want to learn the things, learn the things which will give you the good package, which will give you the good salary, good designation. Correct?
Yes.
So see, I will also teach everything. Okay, OSI model, all these things into my networking classes. If you will see my here, these are my networking things. Networking. Okay, VPC, CIDR, subnet, gateway, whatever you will do in 1 year, I will teach everything in this 4-5 days into the cloud. See, VPC, subnet, route routing, security group, EC2, VPC pairing, infrastructure, all these things, whatever you will do in the 1 month, 1 year, 2 year duration, I will teach everything in this 3-4 days. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. Yep. So see, your profile looks okay. But if you want to earn the things, if you want to learn more things, you have to add some more things. Okay. And that's okay. Yeah, this is okay. And made it in a proper way. Okay. 2 years, 1 year, this not looks good, very good. Okay. This is okay, but not looks very good. Okay. Not very professional. The rest is okay. Yeah. But my suggestion is come into the cloud. You will earn a lot. Okay. At this point, you get a whatever the package, you can double it after 6 months. That's it. Because you have a good 6 years of experience is always matters. And I don't want you to be 6 years with the 6 lakh package. Right?
Yes, yes.
Yep.
Right, sir.
Cool, cool. And explore whatever you know, all these things, now explore, go into more deep. Simple, because these all things will give you the package, but you have to be good into all these things. If you
Yes,
are
yes.
you able to explain what is OSI model? Okay, Guru.
OSI model is the seven layers of application layer and data link layer, network layer.
What is the use of application layer? What is the use of network layer?
In network layer, the routers are used. IP through network layer, we can use the layer 3 routers.
Okay, okay. You have to work little bit more.
Router is the main concept to connect network to networks.
Okay.
If we want to connect one network to another network, routing is required through network layer.
Correct, correct. Yes. If you want to do all these things into the cloud, then
I have less knowledge in cloud. I am studying still.
yeah.
I
Okay.
want to study more.
Okay, okay. No worries. Yes, study more. Okay, no worries. Okay. If you want to learn with me, you can come to my batch. Okay. Okay, Viswajit. Thanks for your time.
Okay, sir.
Yep. Thank you. Thank you. Yep. Anyone
Thanks,
else?
sir, for reviewing my resume.
That's okay. That's my responsibility. Okay. But add some more technical things inside it. Okay. And your looks very simple resume. Okay. Not a very high level resume. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Arshad, Mohan, Sadnam, any question? Mohan, yes, unmute yourself.
Yes, Vikas.
Yeah, switch on the camera, please. Which topic you want to learn? Tell me.
Kubernetes.
Kubernetes. Only Kubernetes?
Kubernetes. Whenever your coaching is on the topic on that time, I will like join like that.
But only Kubernetes. You know Docker virtual machines properly?
Docker with Kubernetes also I will join.
Okay. How to install Docker configurations thing?
Yes, that one also I will have to join.
Means you have to come from the virtual machine only, right?
Yes, yes.
And how the virtual machine has to be get created? You have to understand the cloud as well. You know how to create a EC2 instance with proper configuration, networking, proper VPC?
Yes, yes, Vikas.
You know? Okay. Then you can come into my module 5th. Yeah, that's fine. That is okay. We will allow some students.
Whenever you announce like that.
Yep. We will not announce. You have to track this syllabus. Whenever this thing will become green, you can come into this part. Okay. You can calculate the days, or in some couple of days, I will add the dates also here. Okay. So that you will get to know the dates.
Thank you.
Yeah. But see, I will not tell you to come directly into this part. The reason is you will not be an expert. Okay. You will not be able to crack the interviews. You have to be familiar with everything. Then only you will able to crack the interview. That's always matters.
Okay, Vikas.
Okay. If you want to work into the real time, do the things, do the project with the proper, then only it will be good. Because if you will miss the Terraform, okay, let's assume the requirement came, you have to create a Kubernetes cluster with the help of Terraform. Then what you will say, I know Kubernetes, but I don't know Terraform.
Yes, yes.
Right. So that's why I'm telling you can come to the full batch so that you will learn a lot of things. Then you can ask any level of question with me.
Okay, Vikas.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye, Vikas.
Yep. Thank you.